Bob the Builder double feature. First up, Wendy Helps Out. Then stay tuned for Dizzy's Birdwatch. Bob the Builder, Wendy Helps Out. Achoo! Bob has a cold. Who will help us fix the road? Asked the machines. I can, said Wendy. Hooray! Lofty cheered. Can we fix it? Yes, we can. I can mix the cement, said Dizzy. I can spread the cement, said Muck. And I can roll it, said Roly. The machines went to work. Dizzy mixed the cement. Then Dizzy saw a ball. Look, a ball, shouted Dizzy. Watch me score. Dizzy kicked the ball. Splat! Oops, said Dizzy. I am stuck in the wet cement. Lofty to the rescue. Back to work, said Wendy. The road must be fixed by 5 o'clock. Mix, pour, roll. We did it, said the machines. Wendy cut the tape at 5 o'clock. Hooray! The road is fixed, said Wendy. Achoo! Thanks, Wendy, said Bob. You are welcome, Bob, said Wendy. Then it was time for bed. Good night, Bob. Good night, Wendy. Good night, Lofty, Roly, Scoop, and Dizzy. Achoo! said Muck. Bob the Builder, Dizzy's Birdwatch. I found a bird's nest, said Bob, and the nest has an egg in it. This is not a safe place for a nest, Bob said. Dizzy, will you watch the nest and the mother bird? You bet, Bob, said Dizzy. Bob called the machines. They had a roof to fix. Dizzy stayed to watch the egg. Dizzy was a good egg watcher until she kicked her ball. Bounce, bounce. Meow, said Pilchard. Chirp, said the mother bird. The nest, cried Wendy. Oops, that was close, said Wendy. Sorry, said Dizzy. Chirp, chirp. Wendy, Dizzy, and Pilchard looked into the nest. The egg had hatched. The baby bird grew and grew, but it was not ready to leave the nest. Dizzy helped the mother bird and watched the baby bird in the nest. One day, the baby bird jumped out of the nest. The baby bird flapped its wings. Then the baby bird flew in a circle. The baby bird landed on Dizzy's head. Hello, baby bird. I am your Aunt Dizzy. Chirp, chirp, said the baby bird. The baby bird is saying thank you for watching the nest, Wendy said. Dizzy was so proud. I am a cement mixer, a baby bird watcher, and an ant. Hooray for Dizzy, said Bob, Wendy, and the team. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Bob the Builder stories, check out my Bob the Builder playlist. See you next time.